Thank you for joining us. My name is Adam. This is a BZ2-7. This machine was built in 1993. This was a production machine at one point, and then it's sat in what we call our graveyard for the last who knows how many years. We've got a new production job that we're going to be running here at Bihler of America, and this machine, as you can see, is pretty bad shape right now, but it's still a very good machine. It has really good bones. So we are going to refurbish this machine completely, and we wanted to show you the first step of our refurbishment process. We're going to strip this machine down, and we're going to get this machine back up to looking pretty much almost how it looks back in 1993 when we first got the machine from Bihler, Germany. So take a look now, and we're going to walk you through the journey over the next couple of weeks on refurbishing this machine and getting it up and running back to production quality. Thanks.